addressing. So at the moment, what we have again in this default application, we run it, prints out hello world, and essentially we have register, and that gets printed right here. So what we want to actually put into the ECX register, for example, that variable hello. So I could use the EBP register because at the moment I'm not using it for anything, so it's a good place to start. One that's not being used. If I say hello, and obviously this won't change the running of everything of anything. But if I was to remove that and let's put 0 there, for example, and again nothing shows. So if I was to put EB